Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Open your cameras. Open cameras quickly. Open your cameras quickly.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Open your cameras. Quick, 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 quick. Everyone, just open your cameras quickly. Okay, now Gaurav, Vashisht, Vinod, Priya, Karthik, Saksham, Anvi. Anvi, change your name. Priya, also change your name and open your camera quickly. Okay, so today we are going to start. Wait a minute. Addition facts we have done yesterday, है ना? 1 2 3 4 plus 0 वाला जो question दिया था. Have you done that question, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me share it again. The answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Check. Wait a minute. B B A. Okay, 3 B D. Wait a minute. Let me start it. Okay, let me tell you the answers of the yesterday's question. Okay. Yesterday, some of the questions I have given to you, but you have not done the answers, right? So answers I'm giving you right now. Just give me a minute. Let me show you the answers.
We have done.
You have not done the answers. You have done, but you have not checked it. So I'm going to show you the answers right now. Check yesterday's answer, what I've given to you. See, these are the answers. First one is when you add 1330 to any number, you will get 1333. Okay, 2396 plus 1 is equal to 2397. Check your answers. Check your answers. This was done yesterday. Check your answers. Answers was not done. Check your answers.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Just check your answers.
Good
Yesterday we
morning,
have
ma'am.
done this. Yesterday we have done this. Now check your answers.
Ma'am, my all answers are correct. Ma'am,
No
I
need
have
to
checked.
say. No need to say my all answers are
And I
correct.
am all correct.
No need to say. That's okay. Check your answers quickly. Those who have not checked it. Those who have checked it, very good. Those who have not checked it, just check it quickly. All right. Now we are going to start the next question. Okay. We are going to start the next question. First of all, open your camera so that I can see you are sleeping or you are doing the work. Let me see. This is which exercise? 3.2. 3.2. Question A. 3.2. All right. Now everyone, oh, at the 3.2 question A, 3.2 question B, 3.2 question B, and class 3. Now open your Maths Fair notebook, a new page, and open your cameras also. Shazan, Vashisht, open your camera. Okay. Now Maths Fair notebook, new page. Maths Fair notebook, new page. No. Yes, same page also you can do, and on the previous page also you can do. Start doing this. Do the following additions. Do the following additions. Arav, start doing this work. What are you doing? Okay, do the following additions. बेटा देखो इसमें कैसे करेंगे. Suppose 4346 is plus 300 is given and there is a blank in 300. तो बेटा क्या आएगा वहां पर. What is this first fact? This is addition fact number 1. और यहाँ जो बॉक्स बना है you will write the sum over here. You will write the sum in the box. कितना sum आ रहा है दोनों का. 300 और 4346 का. This is property 1. Fact number 1.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Can you explain it again?
Yes, beta. Once again, I'm explaining.
Ma'am, can you
Yes,
explain
yes, Ayushi.
it again?
Yes, beta. Explain. Please switch off your mic. I'm explaining it again. So look here. See, this is a blank over here given to you. Dekho. Here is a blank. Wait a second. जैसे ये वाला क्वेश्चन है. ओह. Wait a minute. अभी बता रही हूँ बेटा. This is the first question given to you. ये ऐसे दिया हुआ. This is the first question. Ayushi, look here. Ayushi and Shreya. Who was asking? Shreya was asking. Shreya, see here. Where has she gone now? Call her.
My
Huh?
gosh.
What?
Ma'am, she
Okay. Shreya, now look here. This is 4,346 plus 300 is same as what? The same as 4346 में आप कितना ऐड करोगे कि ये नंबर वापस आपको मिल जाए. 4346 plus 300. Addition fact number 1 क्या था बेटा? हाँ, explain. Fact number 1 क्या था? आप 2 plus 3 ऐड
and
करोगे.
3 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 3. Answer will be 8.
हाँ, so same here. 4,346 plus 300 will be same as 300 plus 4,436. आप 3 में 5 ऐड करो या 5 में 3 ऐड करो, आंसर will be same. Okay, so same you will do here. Understood? तो यहाँ पर क्या आएगा इस white blank में? इस white blank में will come 300. It will come 300 and here you will write the total. Here you will write the total. 4346 और 300 को ऐड करने पे सेम आंसर आ रहा है. क्या सेम आंसर आ रहा है? That will be 4746. Add it and you will get 4746. Okay, now start doing it. Ayushi, start doing. Keep the bottle away. Yes, start doing it.
And the last one, please. Because
बेटा
the
हाँ
last
हाँ
one.
लास्ट वन जो है बेटा वो फैक्ट नंबर 2 के ऊपर है. जो लास्ट वाला है वो फैक्ट नंबर 2 के ऊपर है. देखो 2000 और 4000 हमने ऐड किया और उसमें फिर 1000 ऐड कर दिया. अब 2000 अब सेकंड लाइन में हमने 2000 ऐड कर रहे हैं, 1000 ऐड कर रहे हैं. अब क्या रह गया? विच नंबर इज लेफ्ट?
4000.
4000
Ma'am,
बचा क्या? Nobody will calculate it. Nobody will calculate it. ये directly 4000 आ जाएगा. और 4000 आने के बाद you will write it some here. 2000 plus 4000 is 6000. 6 plus 1 is 7000. So answer will be 7000 here. Understood? Chalo, do it quickly. अभी और भी questions है इसके. Not only 4. There are more questions. 5, 6, 7, 8 question भी है इसका. जल्दी करो. 5, 6, 7, 8 question भी है. अभी question 5, 6, 7, 8 is also left. जल्दी से complete it. Do not send the answers. अच्छा चलो send it. I will see कि कैसे लिख रहे हो. Okay, by the time I can ask you anything. Okay, in between the class I can ask anything. Okay, let me take attendance first, then I will ask you. Vashisht, what is the largest 4-digit number?
What,
Vashisht,
ma'am?
what is the largest 4-digit number?
Largest 4-digit number.
Speak.
Ma'am, I cannot see the whiteboard.
Why you
8,
cannot
ma'am,
see the
8.
whiteboard?
8, ma'am. Ma'am, I don't know.
Avika, just check your internet connection properly. Okay?
Ma'am, 8. Okay, ma'am.
Stop it somewhere. Vashisht, what is the largest 4-digit number?
Ma'am, 8.
Mm-hmm. 8 is the largest 4-digit number. No, 8 is not the largest 4-digit number. 8 is not the largest 4-digit number, beta.
No, ma'am, 10.
No,
Ma'am,
4-digit
ma'am,
number.
the
I'm
first
saying
answer is
4-digit number.
wrong.
I'm saying 4-digit.
Ma'am, 7. 7. Ma'am, the
I will
first
speak.
digit answer is ma'am, 1000.
No, wait a minute. Let me take your attendance. अभी पूछती हूँ. Wait a minute.
Ma'am, the first digit answer is it is
First digit answer क्या होता है बेटा?
646. Ma'am, it is 646.
No, wrong.
Ma'am,
Absolutely wrong.
Ma'am, 9,999.
Very good, Siddhant. And Ayushi or Shreya. Very good. 2 students answered correctly, Ayushi and Shreya, and one is Siddhant. Good. It's 9,999. What is the smallest 4-digit number?
1,000.
Very good. 1,000. Very good, Aryan. Very good, Bayun. Yes, Arhan, good. It's 1,000.
Mama, after 4, we have to do the fifth also.
No, Aradhya, wrong. Open your camera.
Ma'am, where is fifth? Ma'am, 1,000. Ma'am, 1,000.
Yes. Okay. Keep your mic off now. Siddhant? Yes. All right.
Ma'am, where is fifth question?
Ab I will ask myself. Only those students will be answering. What are you asking, Bayun?
Ma'am, where is fifth question?
Abhi, I will give you. Let them do this question. First, let them do this. Then I will give you. Okay. Let me ask myself. There are so many students who keep quiet during the whole period and they don't speak at all. So I'm going to ask to them. Okay. There are so many students who don't speak at all. I don't know their names even. Okay. So Karthik Sharma. Karthik.
Yes, ma'am.
What are even numbers? What are even numbers? What are even numbers, Karthik? I know there are so many students those who kept quiet during the whole period. They don't speak at all. They don't. I appreciate them that they don't disturb the class also. Priya, Gaurav, Rohit, and Prasang, you all are looking beautiful. You are lying on your bed and sleeping. So you are looking very beautiful on your beds and sleeping. Hana Prasang? Prasang, this boy never switches on his camera.
Ma'am, 2, 4, 6.
2, 4, 6 are even numbers. Shazen, beta, what are even numbers?
Ma'am, can I tell?
When I'm asking to one, nobody will speak in between. Shazen, beta, tell me. Yes, good.
2, 4, 6, 8,
Good.
10,
Yes.
12,
Good.
14.
Very good. And zero, beta, what about zero? Is zero an even number or not?
No, ma'am.
Zero is not an even number.
Ma'am.
Zero is not an even number. Zero is even number, yes or no? Arhan, open your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Raghav. Raghav, beta, what are
Yes,
odd
ma'am.
numbers? What are odd numbers?
1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11.
Very good. Acha, if I ask you, Raghav, what is 4,346? Is an even number or an odd number? 4,346 is an even number or odd number?
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Siddhant.
Ma'am,
Huh.
ma'am, this first answer is 466, 4646.
What is 4744466?
No, ma'am, 4646. Ma'am, even
Which one,
number.
beta? 4646. Sorry. Thank you, beta. Thank you. Sorry. Yes, it should be 46. Beta, see everyone. It should be 4646. All right. Thank you, Siddhant. Ha, Raghav. Tell me, 4346 is an even number or an odd number?
Even number.
Even number. Why?
Because we can have it into
Because you.
2123.
हाँ तो ये इवन नंबर ऐसे हो गया. सी
Because we
बेटा,
can have it.
listen everyone. Now switch off your mic, Raghav. See everyone. We see only the last digit of the number. If it is 02468, 02468, then it is even number. And if it is 13579, it is an odd number. 1357 लाख या कौन सा digit देखते हैं? We see only the last digit. हाँ राघव, now you understood? कौन सा digit देखते हैं बेटा? Last वाला. ये जो last वाला digit है. It should be 02468 or 13579. If it is 02468, it is even number, and if it is 13579, it is an odd number.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, chalo. Tell me, okay, Prasang, tell me second answer. Prasang, open your camera and tell me the second answer. Otherwise, I will remove you from meeting, Prasang. Camera on karo. Prasang, camera on karo. Prasang, keep your camera on. Chalo, Prakhar, tell me the second answer. Prakhar, so tell me the second answer.
Ma'am, 9,999.
नहीं, here it will come here, बेटा. यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? 9034 plus 20 is same as
20.
20. Okay,
20.
very good. 20 will come here. And what is coming here?
Ma'am, 9,999.
No. Add 9034 and 20. कितना आएगा? Add 9034 and 20. How much
40.
will it come?
40.
No.
40.
No. Quickly tell me, Prakhar. Arhan, you tell me what will come here in this blank. The total sum.
Can I go to
Go. Every time you want to go to washroom.
9,054.
9,054. Okay. Very good. 9,054. Okay. Next is Anvi. Tell the third answer. What will come here?
Yes, ma'am.
What
Okay,
will
ma'am.
come here in the third one?
Ma'am, here will come 80.
80. Okay,
Ma'am,
very
80.
good. And what will come here in this blank?
Ma'am, 5,000. Ma'am, 5,080.
Very good. 5,080. This is 3B, right? Let me see the answers. किस किसने किस किया? Good. Kavish, Kanha, Saksham ने भी ठीक किया. Good. Anvi, correct. Very nicely done. Correct. Aryan, very good. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
बेटा मेक ब्लैंक्स ये लास्ट में किसने भेजा है? कविश, ब्लैंक बना दिया करो बेटा. ब्लैंक तो बनाओ. Okay, 5,080. Okay, very good. Aryan, tell me this answer. How much will you get here in this box?
7,000.
7,000. Very good. Okay, all of you have done this. Is somebody still doing? Anyone is still doing this?
Ma'am, I've done this.
Everyone has done this. These are question 4 only. अब बेटा इसके आगे question 5 भी है. Do it quickly.
I have done.
बेटा इसके आगे we have question 5 also, so do it quickly. इसके आगे you have question 5 also.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Please, what down?
Ma'am, scroll down.
Crawl down means? What do you mean by crawl down? What do you want to say, beta? Please take what?
Ma'am, scroll down question.
Scroll down the questions. Scroll down the questions you are saying. Scrolling. You are saying scroll. Okay, let's start the next question. So I'm going to stop sharing this one. I've shared it on the D group. Those who have not done it, they can check it from the D group. Now we are going to start the fifth question. Fifth question करेंगे बेटा. Take out your maths pen or sorry, same page. You can continue from the same page itself. Same page. ठीक है? Same page से करना है. Question number 5. ठीक है, 4 वो किए हमने, अब 5 से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. 5 will be bracket. Same questions है बेटा. Properties पर ही है. 9,000. It is 9,000 plus dash dash dash. Oh, it's 9,000.
Ma'am, that is 900.
That is my plus dash plus 100 is
बेटा फिर से लिखवाना शुरू कर दिया. तूने क्या लिखा है मैम का? देखो ये तो
is
बता.
same
क्या
as
लिख रहा है? लिख जाना लिखा. बहुत नाचता है मम्मी. ये नाचता ही रहता है इस तरह. सीधे बैठो.
is same as. अच्छा, 2 times I have written same. Okay. 2 times I have written same. Kanha, have you done the work, beta? है? Have you done the work? The previous question, have you done it? हाँ बेटा, tell me. 9,000 plus, I'm not getting your voice, beta. Tana, what you are saying? You saying something? Have you done the work? It's same as here. There are two blanks in this. There are two blanks in this. 200. 9,000 plus dash plus 200. Same as this. You will put an equal to sign here. All right. Write the answer here. Keep your cameras on. I want to see what you people are doing. Whether you are doing the work or not.
Ma'am,
5,500 plus dash dash dash. Kanha, do your work. Where are you looking with bache? Look here. Start doing. 1,200 is same as
I didn't understand the first one.
beta C. 9,000 is given and here 100 is given. Samar, please switch off your mic. Okay, see beta, if you can't understand the fifth one, see here. आप 9,000 ऐड कर रहे हो 100 ऐड कर रहे हो वो सेम आ रहा है जब 9,000 और 200 के साथ you are adding something. So which number is missing in the first line? Huh?
Ma'am, 200.
200 is missing in the first ना second line में है but first line में नहीं है so it will be 200 और second line में क्या नहीं है which number is missing
Ma'am,
in the 100 simple so 100 it will come here in the second line. All right, understood Rajan now? Any problem Aryan? Okay, 5,500 plus this so it's to 1,200 plus 1,500 plus 5,500. All right, is equals to, no, don't write here equals to. Put an equal here. Question 6. Question 7 is, oh beta wait a second, मैंने ये blank आएगा यहाँ पर. You have to do it yourself. This blank will come here. Now the seventh one is 4,000 plus dash 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 bracket plus 3,000 is same as into 4,000 plus bracket 2,000 plus dash dash dash. Okay, and put an equal to sign here. And write a box over there. Now start doing it quickly. Aksa, open your video. Aksa, open your video. Let me see what you are doing.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I cannot understand sixth one.
Sixth one, beta 5500 is there. ठीक है? 550 is there. You have to add some number here in this column and 1200 and 1500 here. So which number is 1200 is here, 120 is here. अब दोनों को सेम बनाने के लिए what number is missing in the first column?
Ma'am, 1200. Ma'am, 1500.
So 1500 will come here. 1500 will come here. Let me change the color. Answer is written with the red color. 1500 will come here. And which is missing in this one now?
Ma'am, 5500.
Okay. Now do one thing. Make a rough column and in rough column add these three numbers. Add these three numbers and find out the answer and write here in this square column. Make a rough column, add these three numbers and find out and write the answer here in this column.
Ma'am, I have done my work. I am sending it.
All right.
Ma'am, I can tell what is sixth question on.
No. Kavish, I think you should behave yourself. All right. That's it. That is the best thing you can do. Saksham, open your camera quickly. If you find any problem in this question, you can ask me again. बेटा ये three numbers आप कहीं column में add कर लो. जैसे 1500 plus 5500. आप इन दोनों को add कर लो. तो कितना आंसर आएगा? See, check it. First, add rough column में add कर लो. Rough column में मैं ये rough work कर रही हूँ, okay? So you can just add it. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. And 5 plus 5 is 10. 10, 1 will be carried over in the next one. 516 is 7000. ये हो गया. 7000 ये हो गया. अब इसमें कौन सा ऐड करने को रह गया? 1200. इसमें 1200 और ऐड कर लो. Okay, so 8200 will be the answer. Like this, you can just add in rough. And 7200, if the answer is coming, you just can write here what 7200. Like this. All right, like this you have to do.
Then what the sixth answer is 8200.
8200. All right, 8200. Sorry.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Ma'am, I have done. Can I show you?
No, don't need. Not needed, beta. Wait a minute. Through it quickly. Everyone done?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone? Who is left? Who is still
No,
doing?
ma'am. Done. Ma'am, I done it. I send it to you.
All right, no need to send it, okay? All
Ma'am, I have
right.
done my
Okay. Let me check it. 3B group. 3B group. No need to send it, otherwise I'm also seeing here also. You can check the answers yourself. Angel, सबका ठीक है, good. Very nicely done, everyone. I must appreciate it. Everyone is doing it really nicely. ये कौन है? Aryan, put the brackets also, beta. Aryan, there are some brackets missing. Just put them also. Kanha, I want your answer, beta. Okay. One by one, I'm asking. Siddhant, tell this what will come here in this place, in the fifth one. Which number is missing?
Ma'am, 9,300.
Nee, here it will come 200, na beta? And what will come here?
Ma'am, 200.
What will come here?
Ma'am, 1,000. Ma'am, 1,500. Ma'am, 1,500.
Okay, so
Please
what
do,
will be
ma'am.
the
Ma'am,
answer? Kanha,
Ma'am,
what will be the... Wait a minute. Kanha, what will be the answer here? Say.
Ma'am,
Open your mic. Huh?
ma'am, 9,300.
9,300. Very good. Vayun, what will come here?
Ma'am,
Huh?
2,000.
2,000. Huh? 2,000. Gargi. Gargi.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me. What will come here?
Ma'am, 300.
300.
1,000.
Oh, 3,000. Very good, Gargi. Okay, Thargi, and tell here what will come here, bache?
Ma'am, 9,000.
Very good. 9,000 will come here.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Are Avika, check your internet connection properly. My voice is coming
Okay, ma'am.
ekdam properly. Just go and check your internet connection. Do
Okay.
not disturb like this in between next time. Sometimes if the board is not visible, sometimes your voice is not coming. First check your internet connection, then say. Everyone, just to check your answers. Let me share this answer on the D group. Okay. Now tomorrow, the period is going to be over. This period is going to be over. So tomorrow we will start the addition of 4-digit numbers. Okay. Addition of 4-digit numbers. I'm sharing it on the D group. If you're not able to do it now, you can just do it in the next period. Oh, you can do it in, sorry, you can check it from the group and then you can do it from there.
Okay, send you answer.
Okay, this period is going to be over, everyone. What, beta, what you are saying?
Ma'am, I send you the answers.
Okay, everyone send me the answers. It's okay. I will check your PDF. How many of you have not sent it today? Yesterday I have not checked it, so today I will check it. How many of you have not sent it? All right. Chalo, bye-bye, everyone.